welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm doing something a little different. Today I will be making a French apple tart. Right now I have school and it's cooking class, and since we can't cook at school, they have assigned us to make it at home. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to make a video. I have all the ingredients behind me. If you want to cook with me, I will link all the ingredients down below, and also I will put the instructions down below as well. For this, you will need plain flour, chilled butter, castor sugar, also known as powdered sugar, 1 egg yolk beaten, 450 grams of green apples, 2 tablespoons of cold water, 55 grams of castor sugar, same thing as powdered sugar, 3 red apples, apricot jam, and hot water. By the way, I've never made this tart before, so I don't know if I'm going to do this right, but let's just pray I am. So everything here is in grams, which is a little harder, so I converted it. I will be needing 175 grams of plain flour, which is like 0.74 cups. So I'm just going to do 0.75 cups.
Yeah, it's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless.
Just a tip for when you're baking or cooking, I would put all the ingredients that you have already used back so that you clear up some more space. Next is 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to scoop them and put them right here so that I get the precise measurements.
Ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you got?
So once you have the 6 tablespoons of butter, you should break it up into small pieces. So I'm gonna do that right now with a fork.
I might have caught the June blues.
Not quite small, but good enough. Now you add it to the flour, and it says you rub it together to make it look like breadcrumbs. I don't know how that's supposed to happen, but it is. Make sure to wash your hands.
When I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life.
This is what I guess it's supposed to look like. Kind of breadcrumby-ish, maybe. Not sure, but here. This is what it's supposed to look like, I guess. 1/4 cup of sugar, or 30 grams.
I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught.
Next is 1 beaten egg yolk, so I have to get the yolk and separate it from the white.
You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not?
So here's my egg yolk, and it has to be beaten, so I put it in a little bowl, and I'm gonna pop it. So, very good, and I'm gonna add it to our bowl.
They don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues.
So now I'm supposed to mix all of this together and add some water for it to make some dough.
Yeah, go claim the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like.
Now you put your dough in the fridge for 20 minutes. Next, you peel all of your apples. The ingredients says that you need 3 red apples and 450 grams of green apples, but my mom bought extra apples just in case we needed them.
Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistake.
Once you peeled your apple, you should cut them into quarters. And I have this cool handy dandy thing where it cuts it for me.
I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get no, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth, was that not?
Once you're done doing the apples, put them into into a pot and then put 1 or 2 tablespoons of cold water in there. So now put your 1/4 cup of sugar in there and stir it on the stove until the apples become soft.
Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
I skipped ahead. What you have to do is you have to get a rolling pin out and one of those like rolling mats. Put a little flour on top and roll it into a ball. Make it about 0.5 inches thick and then put it on a 8-inch flan pan. So that is what I've done already. And now my apples are done right here. They're extremely soft and I think they're a little big, so I'm gonna cut them and then I'll be putting them inside the pan.
Yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah.
Now you are supposed to bake the crust, press it and line it around the edges of the pie.
Ooh, was that now?
I'm going to put the apples in there.
Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away.
Guys, I just realized I messed up. You're supposed to slice the apples like extremely like skinny and not leave them into their big chunks and then layer them. So now I have to recut all of them. So this is what it looks like when I put all the apples in. So what I did was I took the ones that I had fried in the pot, not really fried, but like boiled in the pot, and they are under it, so right over there. I left 2 apples out, so 1 green and 1 red to put as the layer top. What you're actually supposed to do is you're supposed to have all the reds layer it, but I wanted to mix it up to look a little cool, so I put all the green out. The green was actually supposed to be the under layer, but I like it like this because it's super colorful and it kind of like changes the taste a little. I'm gonna mix the apricot jam with hot water and then brush it over the top. I don't know why I'm doing that, maybe just to give it like a little crispier thing or just a better taste. I have no clue. It is all on. I put it on with this weird, like I think grill. Maybe it's for like seasoning or like steak. But I put it on with that. As you can see, it's kind of wet. And now it is time to bake it for 20 minutes and then it'll be done. I know it's not the best, but I tried my best and it's my first time ever, so I think I did pretty well. Time to go. It's baking right now. And there is my 20-minute timer. Now I'm gonna clean up all of this insane mess. This is the final outcome. I finished it. I'm sorry, I took a piece out of that, but it looks really good and I can't wait to try it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have changed already because I'm going to go check out my possible new house. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, hit the notification bells to get notified whenever I post new videos. Bye guys!
It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.